Hello guys, this is your Negosyanting Singket and this is our 4th day in South Korea. Hello, good morning. I'm with Yuna. What did you say?
Emily looks very, very Korean. I thought he's Korean stuff, but anyway, look at his eyes.
You look I'm Korean stuff?
Yeah.
You thought?
Yeah. Typical Korean.
Typical Korean?
DNA. Mongolian.
So you're Mongolian. you're so funny. Ayan. My hairstyle for today. Kasi magsha-shopping daw. Hello guys, this is our day 4 and we're going to the ginseng shopping. So magsha-shop kami ng ginseng. Ayun lang. Punta na po kami sa beauty something. So sa mga beauty products naman. Try natin. So we went to cosmetic duty free and good thing about this shop is wala siyang tax. At the same time, pwede to sa babae at pwede rin sa lalaki. Marami ding celebrity na nagpunta na pala dyan kasi may mga pictures sila dyan sa pader. And then the good thing is, sobrang ganda ng kanilang mga products and worth the price naman. Siguro for others, it's pricey. Pero if you will see the beauty of this product, masasabi kong worth the price. So dahil dyan, napabili tayo ng good for 1 year. And then marami pang mga products such as sunscreen, mga parang press powder, meron parang mga cushion kung tawagin. I don't know how it's called kasi hindi ako masyadong familiar. Yes, I bought my skincare. So may skincare na ako guys. Amounting to 281,000. Yay! Korean won. So here it is. Meron na po kaming pangganyan. Pang 1 taon na to. Para kuminis na tayo ng kainaman. And then ito din. E-Queen. Sikat daw to dito. And then tax refund. Excuse me, do we need to present this to the airport for the tax? What? Tax already. Yun po. Kakain muna kami ng samgyeopsal. Diyan sa restaurant. Day 4. Tomorrow we'll be leaving. This is our, I can say, second last day. Kakain po kami. This is my first samgyup in South Korea. So habang nag-aantay kami, nag-video muna ako. And alam nyo ba, habang kinakain ko tong samgyup na to, medyo may kulang for me. Medyo nakulangan lang ako kasi wala silang cheese. Pero yung lasa ng kanilang meat is premium naman. Parang yung mga premium na samgyupsal dito. Pero wala talaga silang cheese and wala silang masyadong mga sausawan. Parang ang mga sauce nila is samjang lang talaga. Wala sila nung kagaya sa atin. Ang daming nangyayari. So yun, and nag-enjoy naman ako sa aking first samgyup in South Korea. Tapos na kaming kumain, naalis na. Tax-free shop. Okay.
Okay. Alright.
So we went to Jail Amethyst Shop. Alam niyo ba na section ko to nung ako ay high school? Pero hindi ko alam na ito pala ay kulay purple or kulay violet. So ayan, maraming mga options and mga choices dyan for jewelries, most especially for women. At dahil hindi siya nasasangla, hindi ako bumili. Yun lang. Alam niyo ba guys, pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga sa Korea is yung kanilang weather. Na kahit na naka-leather jacket ako, hindi talaga ako pinapawisan. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa kanila is yung kanilang mga puno, yung kanilang mga halaman. Tingnan niyo dito, ang gaganda ng kanilang mga halaman, ng mga puno. Parang yung mga nakikita mo lang sa movie and sa mga cartoons. And lalo na to, purple na bulaklak na nasa paligid lang namin. Parang normal lang talaga, pero sa atin, sobrang special na pagka may ganun kasabakuran mo, di ba? And now we're heading to Gyeongbokgung Palace. On our way to Gyeongbokgung Palace, we saw this small parade. And pinapakita siguro nila yung kanilang tradition as sinaunang Koreans. So siguro galing sila dun sa palace. And also, isa sa highlight ng aming trip dito sa South Korea, opportunity to wear their hanbok. So this is a traditional Korean clothing, and then the term hanbok is primarily used by South Koreans. Koreans have worn hanbok since antiquity. The earliest visual depictions of hanbok can be traced back to the Three Kingdoms of Korea period, from 57 BC to 668 AD. The clothes are also depicted on tomb murals from the Goguryeo period, from 4th to 6th century AD, with the basic structure of the hanbok established since at the latest this period. The ancient hanbok consists of a jeojuri, which is the top, the baji, which is the pants, the chima, or the skirt, and the po, which is the coat. The basic structure of hanbok was designed to facilitate the ease of movement and integrated many motifs of Muism. At ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Gyeongbokgung. So, a little trivia from Google. So, nakita ko to sa Google for you to have an idea what is Gyeongbokgung. Gyeongbokgung Palace was the main royal palace of the Joseon dynasty. Built in 1395, it is located in the northern Seoul, South Korea. The largest of the 5 grand palaces built by the Joseon dynasty, Gyeongbokgung served as the home of the royal family and the seat of the government. Gyeongbokgung continued to serve as the main palace of the Joseon dynasty until the premises were destroyed by fire during the Imjin War, dated 1592 to 1598, and abandoned for 2 centuries. However, in the 19th century, all of the palace's 7,700 rooms were restored under the leadership of Prince Regent Gyeongseon during the reign of King Gojong. Some 500 buildings were restored on a site of over 40 hectares. The architectural principles of the ancient Korea were incorporated into the tradition and appearance of the Joseon royal court. In the early 20th century, much of the palace was systematically destroyed by Imperial Japan during its occupation in Korea. On January 21, 1963, it was designed as the cultural property. The walled palace complex is gradually being restored to its original form. It is also houses the National Palace Museum and the National Folk Museum within the premises of the complex. Gyeongbokgung Palace, located in North Gwanghwang Square, paano ba i-pronounce yun? Located of Gwanghwamun, ang hirap ha. Gyeongbokgung Palace, located in the north of Gwanghwamun Square, was built 3 years after the Joseon dynasty was founded, and it was served as the main palace. It's dinner time, and then kumain kami dito sa isang restaurant na merong mackerel. Guys, sobrang sarap ng mackerel dito sa Korea. Legit. Medyo malansa yung place, pero masarap talaga yung isda. Guys, I'm here with Yuna.
Hello, I'm Yuna, tour guide.
Yes, she is the best tour guide ever.
Thanks. I just met him like a couple of days ago, but actually we don't interrupt about the personal things too much. But he seems like, I thought he's Korean though, but he's not. He's 100% Filipino. But I told him, you have a very variety of the image of the face, and you look like cute, but also on the other hand, also look very mature, really like a businessman, But I actually point his hair. If your hair goes before after, you guys say what is different. Now just I
Okay.
like to
Yeah.
before he do like that, so that's
Yeah.
why he looks like boy, But if he not prompt too much, make it up,
Okay.
make it up.
What happened?
What happened, and then
Just a volume?
yeah, it's now we don't know what's but
Yeah.
just can you imagine,
Mhm.
and looks much more.
Looks like a monster
No,
now.
it's not like a monster. So you better hair else, press more. I mean, here
Okay,
apply
okay.
more wax, so you look much more,
Mature?
mature and better actually. So,
So-
volume here, volume.
Okay, so I look boy when I put it down.
Yeah, like a boy.
Like younger.
Yeah, like younger, but young is good. But the thing is,
Mature.
Yeah, mature is better to give, you know, the more kind of stressful.
Oh, really?
Something like that. Yeah, that's why that's it.
Okay. Okay, see you guys. See you
See you
guys.
guys in
See you
Philippines.
na. Eh.